get it.
Take it off, John.
Get it off.
Take it off, John.
I'm not taking it off.
You ain't gonna take it off, put the rod down before it fish.
No. I'll get it off one way or another.
Quit!
Hold the fish.
Hey, John, quit. Let him take it off. The chicken butt.
I can get it off.
Yeah, right.
Well, give it to him, Tyson.
No, not the whole fish. You hold the fish and I'll get that. No. Dad, just hold the fish. No, it's not, Dad. Just hold the fish. Hold the fish. Just hold the fish. Hold the fish.
Whatever, I'm taking it.
Just pull it up.
If you do, it's, well,
Just hold the fish. Don't even bring it towards you.
John, Jesus. Is it still on the